Hello and welcome to our TechnoLabs channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete the Internet Explorer 11 this from Windows 10. We go to Start. We write here in the search and we click it. If you don't have like this screen, you need to change here View By. If you have maybe large or small icons, so just you click in here Category, click in Install Program. Then here you just go to Turn Windows feature on or off. In this window you will search about Internet Explorer. You find it here. You just uncheck it. So we put yes. Now it's uncheck it. OK. Now the Windows will ask from us to restart the computer. Restart it and get back. So we're back here. Like you see, there is no Internet Explorer here. And if you want to check, you came here and just you put Internet Explorer here. Thank you and see you in another video.